I'm hoping that someone will be able to identify what this plant is. I actually found it on the side of the road here in South Carolina. It grows as a very hardy perennial. It does very well in arid conditions. You'll find it growing in very well-drained, dry, compact soil. The soil doesn't have to be rich, and it seems to actually do very, very well. But what I did was I really liked the color, and so I just plucked a couple of these and put it in a pot, and it rooted quite nicely. So the conditions here are completely the opposite in this pot. There's plenty of organic material, and it's getting lots of water. So it seems to be a plant that can survive in a range of conditions. I used Google Lens and could not figure out what this plant was, but it is gorgeous. And like I said, it grows on the highway. The place where I gathered it, the highway crews come through and mown it. So although it appears to be completely eradicated, it is a perennial, and when the conditions are right, it will occur again. But I was just hoping that someone can help me to figure out what this is, because I always like to put a name to the various plants that I encounter. Thank you so much.